This is going to be another unusual day in my life. I've got some things that I really need to take care of. One of which is to do a photo shoot with my niece and her girls modeling some of our new aprons. That's the unusual things. But I also want to take some time to relax, to slow down. So once I get back from the photo shoot, I will sit down at the table with a cup of tea to work in my planner and write a letter. This video is brought to you by Aprondiva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com. Much of this day is routine. I get up, wash, dress, put on my apron. Then I make my husband a cup of tea. Most days it's blackberry apple cider. Some days it's lemon ginger. Regardless, it's 2 minutes in the microwave. While the microwave is doing its thing, I put fresh water in the Keurig to make me a cup of coffee. A teaspoon of honey and his tea is ready. I unload the dishwasher every morning. It's part of the sameness, one of the routines that have become habit. However, before I can get that done, I must move the food dehydrator out of the way. I'm trying to be a no-waste kitchen, so I've been saving orange peels to dry. My plan is to make orange peel powder. It will add a nice flavor to soups, stews, and baking. One of the things that I am enjoying about spring is the simple beauty of flowers. These tulips had barely budded when I brought them home, and now they are wide open and dropping petals. I don't mind the time it takes to nurture and clean up after them. My daily routine also includes the packing of orders. Each order requires personal attention. A handwritten note, and a randomly assigned apron note. When these are ready for mailing, I set them aside. My husband will take them to the post office when he goes out. It's a little service he provides, but it's a huge help to me. And then on to laundry. Today's laundry load is my kitchen towels and dishcloths. They need a little brightening, so I'll soak them in a solution of borax and water. And then I'm going to shop my shelves, my fridge, my freezer, and my pantry. I'm working hard at being a better steward of my resources. I don't want to waste food, so I ask myself, What's in the refrigerator that needs using up? Are there leftovers from another meal that I can use today or tomorrow? What's going on in my produce bins? The penne pasta will work well with meat sauce tomorrow. The wilted green onions, well, they'll be perfect to use for a shrimp and grits brunch on Wednesday. Today, it'll be the roast chicken and sweet potatoes. My big adventure today is the photo shoot. I'm looking forward to seeing how my nieces will look in our new aprons. It takes careful planning and packing to make this happen. We got some great pictures and had a lot of fun, but it was work. I'm glad to be home to relax with my planner. I forgot how much I enjoyed planning pretty. Debbie Jo sent me some stickers and I'm having fun using them. I appreciate the thoughtfulness behind this gift. How did she know I needed more time to be still? And then there was the additional treat of letter writing. I enjoy writing letters so much that I look for reasons to write them. Maybe someone has sent me a card or done me a service and now it's time for me to thank them. Maybe a friend or family member needs an update on what's been going on with me and my family. Whatever the reason, I enjoy the peace that comes with this simple act. Phone calls are nice, but once you hang up, the call is over. Letters can be read again and again. They can be shared. They provide a history that phone calls do not. I find that letter writing is a nice way to end my day. And don't forget to visit us at www.aprondiva.com.